Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. Hope the lighting's okay. It's still light outside. Anyway, I've made another garden story journal. I made the little dinky one the other day, the little mini one, which I'd done a full process video on. So it was like a craft with me, showing you start to finish of how I made that. So I thought I'd still had bits left over, so I thought I would do a bigger version. And I don't know where my ruler is. It's hiding somewhere. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Right, oops. So 7.5 by 4. I don't know how many pages, but this will be for sale in my shop, and I will put a direct link to that below. All items are tracked due to a situation that I had to deal with. Sent an item out. Well, it's a long story, but anyway, sent the item out. Lady said she didn't get it. Done an investigation into it through Royal Mail and her mail service, which was abroad, international, and it said it was literally delivered, I think it was 7 days after I shipped it from here in the UK, and she's saying she never got it, and threatened to put nasty comments out on social media. So sadly, because of that, I won't be doing standard shipping with anything anymore. So unfortunately, it's going to have to be the expensive rate for shipping, because I'm not going to deal with that again, because that item was actually just on a standard shipping, because it was so small and so thin that you could send it as a large letter, and it would have been like really cheap to send. Anyway, right, enough about that. This journal, it will be shipped tracking. So the Garden Story kit is a collaboration between Angela Kerr and Rachel Bella Crafts, which was the journal jigsaw collaboration that we all done. There was like 60 of us all took part in that March and April. Beautiful kits from both the ladies. I have used other things as well, but the general census of this was all the kit. Yes, absolutely love this kit. I'd obviously done my little bit with it, and then I'd said I was going to do something bigger, and I've done a few things with it, and I will probably continue to use that kit throughout the summer and possibly next year and the year after. So anyway, it's like I said, I can't remember how many pages, but anyway, there's a pocket here on the front, and someone had commented on the little dinky one that I done, the one that I'd done a tutorial on, and said that, you know, I never even thought about doing a non-covered, like having a journal with not a proper cover, like just a little flip cover like that. I love that idea. I don't know where I saw that, but that was never my idea. It was always somebody else's, and I just thought that was great. I think it might have been, who was it? 507 Willow House Journals, I think it was. So yeah, so little tags. We've got little ephemera pieces here, just to journal on. Then here we've got another pocket, and I backed all I printed everything at various different sizes again, and then turned all the papers over, put it back through, and printed it with other, like the background papers from the kit. So that is another couple of pieces. And then here, these labels are from the Old Design Shop. You can find a great big list of links below in the description box. So here is just a collection of lots of little bits from the kits. This is ARTYmaze. This is a little postcard that I've put a little kit up. It's 6 pages, 24 postcards, various postcards on each page. So if you're interested in that, you can find that in my shop. As digital, it's not a freebie, unfortunately. But yeah, I love that paper. So that just tucks in there. This is such a beautiful page. Now, I can't remember what pages now are from Rachel Bella Crafts or which ones are Angela Kerr, but they're beautiful. Done some stenciling, and I got me one of these. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Now, I didn't like it to start with. I got it months ago. You know, when I show you what it is, one of them. Didn't particularly like it, but it's great for stenciling. I don't like it for going around the edges. I still like that, but that is amazing for stenciling. So I've done stenciling, another tag there. That's another flip out here. On and inside there we've just got some TaylorMadeJournals ephemera. Oh, I'll do this first. So this is like a pocket there, and we've got little pieces there from the kit. There, little tags, and that was a journal card, and I just used that to decorate this little pocket that I made. And then there is another one of them postcards. So that closes there. Beautiful page there with the birdies and the flowers. I love the greens, the blues, the yellows, just so pretty. Then here I just made a little flip there. It's got a pocket there with a large stenciled tag. I've done that on some cream cardstock. And then inside here we've got journal cards. That's my postcard. This is ARTYmaze. And I'm not sure if this is ARTYmaze or TaylorMadeJournals, but I've got kits like letter ephemera from both of those people, both Andrea and Lorna, so I can't remember which one is who now. Look at the little dog, how cute. Now we've got some journal space. There's like 3 whole blank pages, so that's 3, 6, 12 pages of just plain paper to journal on. We've got hearts on a string here, and then here we've got a pocket with another tag and oops, some stenciling. Look how good that stenciling come out. Amazing. This is from ARTYmaze. Shrunk that down. And that's a flip there. And it was one of the fill sheets and I turned that into a pocket. And we have another stenciled tag in there. Isn't she pretty? That's the other side of that paper, and then another piece of, this is from ARTYmaze, some French ephemera or letter ephemera, I can't remember what kit. That's the embossed cardstock, more stenciling, a little bit of trim there. In here we've got bits and pieces, little sunflower, little journal card. That's cute, isn't it? Inside here we have another tag. Isn't she cute? I used a lot of the little girl ones in that little journal that I shared the other day, the one that I'd done the start to finish on. And another little cutie there. The Old Design Shop. This is ARTYmaze. Letter ephemera. I think that one's ARTYmaze. A little bit of trim here. Vellum pocket there. And one of these. Then we have a flip, that's the back, and that's another flip there. And another tag in that pocket. I made the pockets using book pages. Where's the book? I don't know what I've done with the book. It's one of these. It's just one of these, the Theory of Functions. So I'm just using up all them to make pockets and things. So did I show that? I can't remember. It was only 2 seconds ago and I can't remember. And then here, oh, we've got another one of my little postcards in there. Yeah, check that little kit out if you're interested. And then that's beautiful. You could draw. You could write on that. I wouldn't draw on it. And then some French ephemera here from TaylorMadeJournals. And that is the little journal. So like I said, if you're interested in this, I will have it listed on my KoFi Shop. I will have the direct link below. If there's any questions that you need to ask, that I've maybe not mentioned, then ask away in the comments section and I will get back to you. And yeah, have a great day and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now.